My name is Elvira NIYOMWUNGERE. I'm originally from Burundi. I came in Maine when I was 19 years old. I was young, a teenager. Yeah, so now I can call myself a Mainer, if you can say that. I've been dancing since I was 3 years old because my mother, she was in a Burundian traditional group dance called Inhashikigwa. My mother, she loved culture. Culture is a part of her, so she introduced me to the culture. She introduced me to the dance. She introduced me to the, the Inhashikigwa, the group dance. So I grew up dancing there. When I came in Poland, Maine, I found there were people who were dancing already. We're dancing at weddings, we're dancing at small events. So when I came in here and I saw people were dancing already, few of my friends were dancing already. So I was like, why not? I love dancing already. So I cannot see myself not dancing. When I'm dancing, I feel like I'm in another world. Dancing for me helped me going through a hard time in here, being away from family, because some of us came here alone. It helps me a lot with that. So that's why dancing is very important for me, and it helped me going through a hard, tough time in life, especially when I was away from my family. Some of us don't work only one job in here. We have to survive. It's hard to focus it more on dancing. So that's the biggest challenge. People love it. You can see people are so excited to see something they haven't seen for so long. You can tell by their smile, by the way they applaud, by the way we dress to it, everything. You can tell it's really hitting to a very close part of their heart. The people's reaction always makes me happy. To see the bride smiling, to see the bride dancing with us. Some of them, they haven't danced for years. So that clicks. That really hit close to my heart. Second, to see the elders saying thank you for not abandoning the culture, for not forgetting about the culture, for not forgetting of where we come from. That's very important to my heart, because I want my children to know that I never forgot about where I come from. Maine is known as a vacation land, so it attracts more people from outside. So when they come in here and see their different diversity, their different traditional group dance, it will attract more tourists. It attracts more money too to the city, because traditional dance is an entertainment. People are more attracted to see things that they don't see where they're from. So if they come in here and they see we have that thing that is different than any other state, they will come. They will come more. They will bring more people. Those people will bring more people. And then, yeah, it's good publicity for Maine, for Poland, Maine. It's good publicity, it's good money, good investment, and it's entertaining. For us to dance, we have to put on hold our work life, That means we're losing money, we're losing time. We're not complaining, we love what we do, but if we had more funds, that means we work less time and we'll focus more on the traditional dance. We'll have more time for the traditional dance. We have family to take care of. So if we have funds, that will help us to have a work balance. We need places for practice. We need the support, and not only financially, but we need also the publicity, for them to support us and tell the whole wide world, tell the whole Mainers that we are here. We have a traditional dance group that dance Kirundi, that dance Burundian traditional dance. We want the city to involve us more in culture events, support us, call us, involve us more in the community. We also want to be known everywhere, especially that this is a vacation land. Because this city has given so much to the community that we want to give back to, especially as an immigrant woman. And I want to give back to Poland for everything that has done for us.